Hey marshmallows! Today I will do Learn to Speak Croatian with me. Yeah, I know this video is a little different, but a lot of people want to know how to speak Croatian. And it's my mother language, so that's why I'm here to teach you guys. We will go with alphabet letters, and on Croatian it's abeceda. Okay, so first is A. In Croatia, you don't say A, you say A, because in Croatia you tell words like you read it. And for example, there are words that go on A like avion, that means airplane, and ananas, that means pineapple. Okay, next is B. In Croatian, you don't say B, you say B. Okay, next one is C. You don't say C, you say C. Repeat with me, C. Next one is Ch. And I leave some time to you to read this. As you can see, it's got a little thing on the top. That says if it's soft or hard. This one is hard one. So this one is a little harder to use, so you have to repeat with me. Okay, say tr. Tr. Say it again. Tr. Tr. If you have to practice for that, I totally understand you. Okay, next and the last one is ch. You know that I said there's a hard one and the soft ones? Well, this is a soft one. So this may be hard for people who don't Croatian again. Repeat with me. Ch. 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 You have to practice with this one too. So this was it for this video, and in next video of these we'll learn more 5 letters. Thanks for watching. Bye!